This is the story of Gerald, the most amazing boy around.
When other kids spoke words,
he only made this sound.
Gerald McBoing Boing. Gerald McBoing Boing. He makes all kinds of sounds, whistles, honks, and chirps. His dog he never barks, but watch out when he barks. Gerald McBoing Boing.
Guess the sound.
sound check!
Thanks for coming to the pet store with me, Gerald. I love all these fish. Ooh, look at all the stuff they have to play with in there. It's like a little fish playground. I bet they have all kinds of fun adventures. Yeah, pirate adventure! Just imagine it. The brave Captain Guppy fighting off invaders from the Jolly Lobster. Whoosh! Captain Guppy swings down from the mainmast to face off against Blackgill the pirate. Batten the hatches! Hoist the sails! Pass the fish food! Oh, well, it's too bad fish can't really have those kinds of adventures. I mean, after all, they are just fish. That's strange. I thought I saw the fish acting like pirates. Nah, they're just fish. Let's go see the hamsters. Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Look, guys, I just made a snow angel.
My turn. Yes, my snow angel looks just like yours.
Looks great, Gerald. Just like ours. But why'd yours take so much extra work? All right, Gerald!
Woo!
Way to go!
Here is a fantasy tale to enjoy, starring Jacob, Janine, and Gerald McCloy. They all play a part in this world of pretend. But the hero is always our sound-making friend. This is the story of a theater grand. The singers who sang there were the best in the land. And the most famous singer to sing there by far was Diva Janine, a world-famous star.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above
An orchestra played as she sang sweet and clear. Oh, she's the best singer that we'll ever hear. The stage was now lit like a starry night sky. No one noticed that someone was hiding nearby. Backstage was none other than Greta Von Grabby, a world-famous thief who was sneaky and crabby. Oh, I can sing too. La, 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 la. Greta wanted to sing, but she just didn't know how to join all the others in their music show. So instead, she decided if she couldn't sing, I'll cause trouble until they stop this whole thing. I know a good way to disrupt their song. Then Diva Janine cried,
All our scenery's gone. Ladies and gentlemen, our show will not stop. Maestro, let's take it once again from the top. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
When they started again, Greta tried something new. She pulled down the curtains. Now what will you do? This was bad, yes, it's true, but then things got much worse.
My violin's gone, and we've got one more verse.
All of the instruments were suddenly gone, snatched away in the middle of that sweet, starry song.
We must stop this right now. Boing, boing! Boing, boing!
And soon the conductor's wild shouts and sad wails brought Gerald to the rescue in a black tux and tails.
Help us, Gerald. Someone keeps trying to ruin our show.
That someone was still there, hiding nearby. Gerald called for some scissors and then showed them why. He cut down the curtains to catch that mean thief, to find out just why she was causing them grief.
Why are you trying to stop our nice show? Please tell us right now. We just want to know.
Well, that great super thief, she got very shy. She felt kind of silly when she told them why. I was hoping that it could be my turn to sing.
You want to sing? Well, why didn't you say so? The more people singing, the better.
Really? I can sing? Ow!
Maestro Jacob?
They did the whole song in the orchestra pit. Maestro McBoing Boing, just them, that was it. So what happened next, folks will never forget. Instead of a solo, they heard a duet. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Greta and Janine were the stars of the show. They made beautiful music, and we also know, thanks to Gerald McBoing Boing in the orchestra pit, Greta's first concert was a very big hit.
Guess the sound.
Sound check! Hey, let's make a snowman.
How about a snow woman? Ta-da! She looks great.
Excuse me!
Did our snow woman just burp?
I think so.
Excuse me.
It's not a snow woman.
It's a snow burp.
Excuse me.
Gerald! Please quiet down. Your dad and I are trying to read.
Yeah, I don't think even a real rocket ship is that loud.
Thank you.
Hey, that was easy. Listen to how quiet it is now. Gerald! Hey, Gerald isn't making that noise.
Then who is?
Oh, hi there. Sorry about landing on your
your lawn, eh? We got a little lost on our way back from space.
That's quite all right.
But could you please keep the noise down a little?
Can do.
Wow! Volume control on a rocket! Who knew?
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
A dog. Meow. A cat. A bird.
Oh, come on. These are too easy. If we're going to play Guess That Sound, you should at least make the sounds a little tougher to guess.
A train.
Harder, please.
Bicycle wheels.
Still too easy.
Ew, what is that sound? Can you do it again? Nope, still no idea. How about you, Jacob?
That's easy. It's the sound your feet make when your socks are full of blueberry pudding.
Hold on. How'd you know that?
Oh, come on. You've never heard that sound before? It's like this.
Jacob, why did you put blueberry pudding inside your socks?
I don't know. I guess I just like the way it sounds.
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Aw, that was so cute how Gerald pretended this pillow was heavy. Oh, hey, this pillow really is heavy!
It is? I wonder why. Excuse me.
And it burps, too.
That's not the pillow burping. Excuse me.
Here is a fantasy tale to enjoy, starring Jacob, Janine, and Gerald McCloy. They all play a part in this world of pretend. But the hero is always our sound-making friend. This is the story of a rock and roll band, the most famous musicians to play in the land. played concerts for millions, and then millions more. Everyone knew the great McBoing Boing Fab Four.
This is DJ Discobilly, and I'm telling you, oh, wow, McBoing Boing Fab 4 rocks the whole world right now. Oh, yeah, baby.
Their records were hits. Their shows always sold out. When fans came to see them, they'd scream and they'd shout. And one of their biggest fans always took care. To see every concert, she always was there.
I want to hold you, puppy.
On the way to a concert, she got there too late. The seats were all taken. They'd locked up the gate.
Let me in! I'm the band's biggest fan! Well, if I can't get in, then no one else can! I'll boil up a spell with my foul witch's brew. But boing boing fab four, this brew is for you! I'll put in some feathers, 2 rocks, and a net. This concert will be one you'll never forget! You didn't save me a seat. Now you're out of luck. Hocus pocus, ho hocus. Now quack like a duck.
I wanna hold you, puppy. I wanna hold it now. I wanna quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
When she saw them quacking, the witch smiled with pride.
That spell is the best spell that I've ever tried.
The band kept on quacking. They didn't know why. Then something quacked back. It was ducks flying by. The ducks started quacking. The band quacked along. Then a fan in the crowd said,
We love this new song!
Oh!
The audience was quacking. The noise grew and grew.
I must stop all this quacking! I know what to do. Please undo my spell. I am sorry, it's true. I'm so sorry for putting that quack spell on you.
I wanna hold your puppy because she's so cute. Ow! Wow, 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 wow!
Oh, yes, baby!
The band saw how much she loved the Boing Four. They invited that witch to join them for more. Now that witch joins the band when they play every town. And she sees every show in the best seats around. And when they're finished playing, she loads up their trucks. She's their biggest fan ever, except for those ducks.
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Oh! Hello? Is there a pig in there? No, of course not. There's no pig under my cushions. That's ridiculous. Oh, there is something definitely wrong with this chair. I better take it down to my shop and fix it. Come quick! Our chair squeals like a pig!
Excuse me.
Guess the sound.
Sound check.
Boing,
Boing, boing, boing, boing.